have a whole chicken, and we're gonna make chicken stew or stew chicken over the oven, Haitian way, because I love flavor. So I'm gonna teach you how to clean your chicken, a whole chicken. So this is it, and you have to remove that. And voila, I'm gonna remove that. In my culture, we don't eat that, but I know some. I mean, we eat it, but we remove this little thing. So, I make a little thing. It's just for the meat to get the season when I'm cooking it. Here it's lemon juice. Is the lemon juice and the skin of the lemon. I'm gonna put some salt. That's how we clean our meat in Haitian cuisine. So I put some salt. I dim it here. I should use a planche. I'm very old-fashioned. No, it doesn't matter where you were raised. The way your parents raised you has a lot to do with you. I was raised in Paris, France, but I have to tell somebody because I met some Haitian who were born in Haiti. I'm more Haitian than them. So you have to cut that. So we're gonna remove here there's always like this thing of blood. You have to remove it. We remove it. I know not every, I'm sure your American just keep it like that, but and we remove this little thing also. If you don't have to, if you don't want to, if in your culture they don't, you don't have to. Those are veins of the meat, right? So now we're gonna just cut the meat and make a little thing so you can take the salt, and also when we're making the oh, my knife is so sharp, I better be careful. And I don't eat the big skin on the bottom.